Are you looking as family outings, park trips, and beach days grow in popularity? Parents are increasingly turning to folding wagons for kids as a safe, convenient, and fun solution for transport. These versatile wagons offer comfort, safety, and storage, ideal for toddlers and young children. In this guide, we evaluate the best folding wagons for kids based on safety features, ease of folding, build quality, comfort, and overall value. Let's dive in. Ever Advanced Foldable Wagons for 2 Kids and Cargo, Gray. The Ever Advanced Foldable Wagon is a feature-packed stroller wagon hybrid, perfect for families with 2 young children. Designed with comfort and safety in mind, it includes a removable canopy, 5-point safety harnesses, and all-terrain wheels. Its adjustable handlebar makes it easy for parents of different heights to steer smoothly. What truly sets it apart is the spacious dual seating area, making it ideal for siblings. When not in use, it folds down compactly, making storage and transport a breeze. The included sunshade canopy ensures your kids stay protected from UV rays, while the solid frame supports both kids and cargo effortlessly. If you're looking for a durable, safe, and parent-friendly folding wagon, this one checks all the boxes. Stroller wagon for kids, Radio Flyer City Luxe Stroller Wagon, Gray. From the trusted brand Radio Flyer, the City Luxe Stroller Wagon offers both style and substance. Designed for kids age 1 and up, this model features high-sided walls for security, a UV protection canopy, and soft padded seating for comfort. It easily transforms from push to pull mode, offering flexibility based on terrain or parent preference. The quiet ride wheels make it ideal for city sidewalks and suburban strolls. This wagon is particularly easy to collapse and store, folding flat in seconds with one hand. Built-in storage pockets and cup holders add convenience for snacks and drinks. It's ideal for families who want a sleek, urban-friendly design without sacrificing child comfort or safety.
ELEMARA Stroller Wagon for 2 Kids, all-terrain wagon. The ELEMARA Stroller Wagon is built for rugged terrain and adventurous families. Its sturdy frame and oversized all-terrain wheels ensure a smooth ride across grass, gravel, or sand. Featuring seating for 2 kids, a removable canopy, and zippered mesh sides for ventilation, this model balances durability with comfort. Parents will appreciate the easy folding mechanism, ample interior space, and thoughtful touches like padded harnesses and adjustable handlebar. Storage compartments on the sides allow room for diapers, toys, or snacks, making it ideal for all-day outings. Whether you're hiking a trail or heading to the zoo, this wagon is ready to roll. It's a fantastic choice for parents who need both function and flexibility.
Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easyfold Stroller Wagon with Canopy, Red. The 3-in-1 Easyfold Stroller Wagon from Radio Flyer is a classic favorite. It converts easily between riding, hauling, and bench seating, making it one of the most versatile wagons on the market. Designed for kids aged 1+, it comes with a full UV blocking canopy, adjustable handle, and quiet ride tires. The folding mechanism is extremely user-friendly, collapsing with a single hand in just seconds. While it doesn't have as much cargo space as bulkier wagons, its compactness is perfect for quick trips or smaller vehicles. The built-in seat belts keep kids secure, and the fabric is easy to clean. This is a great everyday wagon for urban and suburban families alike, offering portability, quality, and iconic styling. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Camo Folding Wagon, Green. For kids who love adventure, the Radio Flyer Camo Wagon brings both style and practicality. This 3-in-1 design allows it to function as a rider, hauler, or bench, just like its red cousin. The standout feature is the cool camouflage design, making it a fun pick for outdoor-loving families. It folds flat easily and fits in most car trunks. Safety is ensured with seat belts, while padded seats and canopy add comfort for your little ones. While the wheels aren't designed for rocky paths, it's great for parks, backyards, and fairgrounds. Lightweight yet sturdy, this is the perfect wagon for low-maintenance families who want an easy, attractive solution for outings.